Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Poco C65 easily. Alright guys, so if you feel bored with the ringtone of your cell phone, that is just that. Don't worry guys, because Poco C65 cell phone provides a very much ringtones that you can choose easily. And how to choose that is very easy, and now I will show you the tutorial. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then over here you can scroll down and go to about sound and vibration guys. And after that, here now you can click for ringtone, and voila, there are so many ringtone that you can choose. You can choose based on your mood or based on the genre guys, like this. You can choose about the favorite ringtone or everyday moods like happy, emotional, relaxing, bright, and other. You can choose also the favorite style, and I will choose this one, and then select tone, click OK. And so yeah, the ringtone has applied successfully. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Poco C65, and then thank you so much for watching guys.